A town is attractive for a plumbing business when it has a growing population of homeowners, an aging housing stock that needs repairs, steady new construction, and a middle to upper middle income base that can afford regular maintenance and upgrades. Think of it like this. Plumbers make money in two ways, fixing old pipes and installing new ones. So you want a town that gives you both. Older neighborhoods, especially homes built before the 1980s, often have outdated pipes made of materials that wear out and start leaking, which means steady repair calls for years to come. At the same time, a town with new subdivisions being built gives you fresh installation jobs, which tend to pay more per project. Here is something most people do not think about. Look at the average age of the water heaters and pipes in a town, not just the age of the houses, because a newer home can still have original 1990 plumbing if it has never been renovated. Also pay attention to towns with hard water, since areas with high mineral content in the water cause pipes and fixtures to fail faster, which creates more repeat business for you. A smart move is to check local permit records to see how many renovation and new construction permits were filed in the last 2 years, since that tells you real demand instead of guessing. One common mistake is only looking at population size instead of household income, because a big town with low-income families may not be able to afford non-emergency plumbing work, so always check median household income before committing. Another misconception is thinking new construction areas are always the best bet, but those homes often come with builder warranties, so you might not see real repair business for 5 to 10 years, meaning older established neighborhoods can actually be more reliable short-term income. People also forget to check how many other plumbing businesses already serve the area, so take time to count competitors and see if the population can realistically support another one. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job at Deer, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.